got 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind and it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess.
Candy. My dog out laying down low, ain't breaking none laws, out serving on the rock. Beats outside, still fucking in the car, still flipping in the car, still shooting at the cars. Little high block, smoking, not trying, I'm fucking on the star, whole leg got a coke. Sitting on a cocaine, fuck that, tell them bitches I'm a top dog. Get shot, roll up with them like the propane. Outside, bunch of niggas doing donuts. Yeah, got the money in a headlock, big dog every time we hit the red lights. Just shine, ain't nothing but a good thing. Don't die, ain't teach me how to pump fake. Big shot, I ain't tripping, I don't wanna lose count, talking my shit. Just us, bitch. Fuck it up, drive, having my rap. Make me that Dutch, bitch. On the west side, on the 110, swing my nuts, swinging my nuts. Fuck it, let's grill, fuck it, let's spill. Spin a few crumbs, let's spill. Pop smoke, pop shit, pop bitch, young nigga don't pop too much. Face shit fake, go Kanye, young nigga don't stay too long. Big truck, big boom, big buck, them niggas probably hate my guts. Tryna get my guts, but it's all out lust.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Leandra Nicole. If you're new here, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new here, Welcome back, babes. You seen the title. It is Spend a Day With Me. Let's go to the gym. I'm already dressed and prepared. It is kind of late. It's 11:40. I've never been to the gym, or my gym in my complex, this late, so I don't know how packed it is, and that would determine if I vlog in there or not, because your girl has a little bit of social anxiety when it comes to stuff like that. Like, I get very shy and very nervous, so we'll see if I get footage in there. I'm gonna really try my best, because last time, if you guys are up to date on my channel, my last vlog, I did pretty good at recording, but it was kind of early in the gym, probably like 8-9 o'clock in the morning. However, today is, as promised, arm day. We're gonna work on some upper body, and we're gonna do some legs. I'm not a pro by any means. I don't be in the gym consistently this year I am. Okay, this year I'm in the gym consistently. However, I'm not a professional. I don't know all of the tips and tricks and all of that stuff. I'm just doing what I feel like will work for me and what I'm aiming for as far as body composition wise. So that's just my little disclaimer, and let's head out. Okay guys, so I am done working out. I look a hot mess. I am exhausted. You guys seen I did arms, legs, glutes, and that's just my beginner workout. So you guys stay tuned and come along on this journey with me for a healthy toned body recomposition. Like, I do have a goal for what I want my body to look like. Okay, so I am back in the whip. I'm back in the car, and it's 1:30. I went upstairs, got my wallet, used the restroom. I definitely want to take Coda to have a play date with my god sister's Doodles. She has 2 Doodles, and she just came back home to Miami. Hey Jazz, love you girl. So yeah, and I definitely want to catch up with her because I haven't seen her in a little bit. So I think that's what I'm going to do a little bit later. It's 1:30. I want to be back in the house like completely by 5 o'clock. So yeah, so I can edit. So yeah, let's go. What the bears?
mother. My dad died.
You want me to get another watch?
So she raised me with my brother by herself. I mean, she was strong.
That's all you had to say.
Just, you know,
Ross Clark.
great person, you know.
So back to what I was saying before I was really interrupted. Back home from my day at Love Island, and now it's. I'm not calling you. He just was being mean to me. You think I'm fucking fucking with him? Not. Trying to unthought my surprise. Oh, my camera is on 18%, guys. I'm so exhausted. It is 10:52, and I need to hit the hay because I have to be to work at 7 in the morning. And you guys already know, I told you guys I stay 40 minutes away. So we're gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, later, babes. Ciao.
Always, yeah. Trials and tribulations. Child.